Well, good morning, my Facebook friends around the world. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, coming to you live right here in a rainy, South Florida Monday morning as things are taking place. That's right. As you can see, Mr. Sunshine, and we're not going to take the turnpike right now. As things are taking place right here in sunny South Florida, it is a rainy day today, to say the very least. And let me tell you, Diane, what you're looking at right now is what's really going on in today's world. As a matter of fact, rainy South Florida, Locksmith Eddy coming around the bend, as a matter of fact. And we ain't talking about the Ben Autograph Hotel. Let me tell you how it's going to go down. Oh, yes. Yes. I look right now like a wet, watered down rat. Okay, I am soaked all the way through. It's raining so hard. Mr. Sunshine sitting there keying up. As a matter of fact, my fellow realtor called me needing a door opened over here in a condo association, which yours truly, just like that. All right, key boxes, lock boxes, quick sets, smart key, deadbolts, the whole 9 yards. Well, there ain't nothing going to stop Mr. Sunshine from getting into that lock in any way, shape, or form, even in the pouring down rain. All right, Diana, let me tell you, Paul Pellet. Hey, Paul, you know, Paul, if we're going to sit here and talk 84 degrees and rainy, Paul, you and I both know as Locksmith Eddy, Grindstone, Pennsylvania, Uniontown, Pennsylvania, we don't have to follow me, only you can set me free. Oh, Tony Andolino, Tony, let me tell you something, Daddy. You and I could be, styling and profiling up at the men, blondes, brunettes, redheads, Shade O'Connor sitting over there. But then even though, look at this, I am wet to the bone, as you will. But let me, Diane, you need a job, huh, Diane? Let me tell you something, Miss maybe you'll find yourself sitting right over here, huh? You want a job? Be careful. Be careful what you wish for. Diane, be careful what you seek in life. You know what? I'm the cult of personality. The cult of personality. The cult of personality. Ah, yeah. Paul Pellick, you know it better than anybody. When Locksmith Eddy going up to Somerset, going over to Morgantown, Chain Lake, Clarksville, West Virginia, Youngstown, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Philadelphia. We went from town to town, city to city. Whether we were flying that helicopter, whether we're sitting in a van, or one of them big Rolls Royces, you know things were taking place. And you know, Paul, let me tell you something. It ain't no different than it is down here. I'm going for, as a matter of fact, right now, and I'm going to take you in there into I'm going to show you what a $600,000 mansion looks like down here. All right, you're going to see, the beauty, the grandeur, and everything of what a $600,000 estate looks like. You're going to get that opportunity real soon. All right, so we just left this one. We're on our way to our next one. It's a lot of rain. Everything's wet. And you know, Mr. Sunshine, he operates at his best when everything is wet. But if you want it dry, hey, we'll go in dry.
Continue for half a mile.
If you want it ladies. If you want it wet, if you want it dry, if you want sandpaper on it, doesn't matter. Because when I come to town, ooh, when Mr. Sunshine, when old Methuselah, let me tell you something, Tony. Let me tell you, there ain't a day that goes by that I'm not putting a smile on a woman's face. All right? As a matter of fact, my dear friend that I just left, when I opened that door, the look of satisfaction in her eye, the smile on her face, she said, Sunshine, woo, you're the best. Well, let me tell you something. There's a lot of guys out there claiming to be the best. They're claiming that they can put a smile on every woman's face. They're claiming they can put the look of satisfaction in her eyes. Well, let me tell you something. All of this, gentlemen, and I'm using that term loosely, all right? If you think you're the man, you've got to beat the man. And right now, I'm at the top of the mountain. I'm the king of the hill. As a matter of fact, when I go to the Bend, Taboo, we going over to City Place, when we're easing over to Fontainebleau, they're all saying, Sunshine, you're the best. It's just cut and dry. Well, a lot of people have tried, but a lot of people have failed. And you know what? Personality, the cult of personality. Oh, Nancy Hobbs. Nancy Hobbs. Let me tell you, Nancy, I just put another smile on another realtor's face right now. Don't tell time when a leader speaks, that speaks and dies. Oh, yeah. You know what, Nancy? Let me tell you how it's going down, honey. This is what it's all about. And I just spoke earlier, Nancy. If you want it wet, if you want it dry, no matter how you want it, woo, Mr. Sunshine is going to oblige you, okay? So that's how it's going down right now. I am soaked to the bone. We had a quick-set smart key deadbolt. We had a key box with a 4-digit combination. Boom, just like that. Boom, just like that. Rekeyed it. Boom, just like that. The trifecta. And let me tell you something, honey. As the smile got bigger and bigger, and the other realtor standing there, and he's going, wow, you are the man. That's right, I am the man. When it comes to locksmithing, even I look like a watered-down rat right now. Woo, I'm the best, all right? And I got bragging rights. You can go to Pittsburgh, Philadelphia. You can go over to Morgantown, West Virginia. You can go to Greensburg. You can go over there to Monroeville, and you ask them, woo, who's the best? And there's only one. And even 20 years later, they're going to say, Mr. Sunshine, woo, Locksmith Eddy, bar none. So, gentlemen, if you think you're locksmiths out there, if you think you can open a lock better than Mr. Sunshine, not only, woo, styling and profiling, not even using the magic fingers, okay, we're going to make every woman smile, all right? And that's how it goes down. Yeah, let me tell you something. You know what? Mr. Sunshine, look at this rate. It is coming down hard. Now, Nancy, I'm going to a $600,000 mansion. That's where we're going right now. They just closed on it 10 o'clock this morning. She said, Sunshine, woo, I want the best. I want the best. And from what I hear, you're the best. Well, let me tell you something. Sharon, what you're coming, I'm coming over there. I'm going to ease on into that gated community. My van, woo, all shined up. Mr. Sunshine, woo, all shined up. He's all clean. He's fresh. He's ready for action. So let me tell you something. We're going to go to the front door, the back door, the side door, the pool. This house got a pool house. It's got the swimming pools, high ceilings, $600,000. And let me tell you something. Homecoming a white knight on the street. Now you know how happy you can be. Another time starts around with our darling home to spend. But how much, baby, do we really need? Here we go, let's sing it! Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to our dream believer and our homecoming queen? I'll get shut down for that. So when halfway through the video, it'll be muted out, okay? But that's all right. We don't care. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting 2-cent royalty. I actually probably singing better than he is right now. Look at the rain coming down. This is how it goes. All right, this is how Mr. Sunshine, woo, bringing it down as only Mr. Sunshine can bring it to you. Oh, what can it mean to our daydream believer and our holy queen? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to our daydream believer and yes, that's the way it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful. You don't have to worry about that. I'm just easing on in through this rain. Look at this, I'm all wet. I'm set down like a watered down rat right now. All right? So for all of you out there that think that this is a rug, well, let me tell you, it's not coming off, okay? All right, there you go. For all of you thinking it's wearing a wig over here today, that ain't happening. Other than that, I'm gonna come back live. I gotta let her know that I'm gonna be easing on through that front gate of that big palace. So as soon as I get through the gate, I'm gonna turn on that camera and we're gonna show you, woo, what's causing all this in a rainy South Florida. Woo!